We forward in the business with a killer.
Yeah.
Elephant man them. You know, they scare them crew.
Yeah, man.
A turbulence. You know, a highway. So it's like a mixture.
Yeah, man.
You have to have everything. Some will write a gun song today, write a religious song tomorrow, write a girl song. You get me, me have a dancer. So it's like the great all around there.
But Bescenta, what would I say, you know, from then until now, what would you say, you know, has been one, your greatest challenge in the music business, and two, your greatest triumph?
For me, consider myself as a youth where take time out for write. You know, come up with a good composition, you know, listen to rhythm. I'm gonna believe in a rush work. Alright? I believe in a rush work, none at all. All of the producers I'm working with over the years, you know, can tell you.
Okay.
You know, might not get it right. You know, the earlys, like all of the vertex, I think we did have too much lyrics, you know. Some of that spit lyrics after lyrics. Sometimes I step on the change, sometimes I step on the bridge, you know.
Okay.
But over time, I take my time and sort it out and get it right, you know. I remember back computer Paul days, so me and youth will sing and we can take harmony with it and them things, you know, I try to do more songs we can take harmony.
Yeah.
You understand? Alright, for me really, what I say, the greatest challenge, you know, after like getting the composition together, you know, molding a producer rhythm, because it's not just me alone that gonna make a song, you know.
Yeah, man.
Me plus a producer make
Everything
a song.
will come together.
And, you know, we try to do our best, you know. But after all of that, my greatest challenge is getting the music played in a Jamaica. You know, surprisingly. Yeah. In the outside world, but good enough. Here, there, and everywhere, you know. But good enough. So, like when you put out a project. But in a Jamaica, for some reason, it's like, you know, Jamaica is more about brand new youth. You know? Me don't have a problem with that. But if you're in for good music and music for the change and music for really wise up the youth them and music for really make the youth them over themselves and look into themselves and make a change, because we're all fighting for society, but the society we want to be, you know, crime free, you know, everybody are dealing things the right way. You know, so me is a part of the world change.
Yeah,
you know, just like every other artist out there. I respect and love every artist.
Yeah, man.
You know, matters not how people might look at it in a negative way, because if I'm for the right and for truth and rights, me I gonna have time where I gonna disagree with a few artists.
But some of the artists, them, even the lyrical content and the message in it, you know, the song, you know, I preach killing, violence, gun thing.
Not only killing and violence, you know, because people tend to just rush to killing and violence.
Right.
You know, because, alright, you see a flow? When a youth hold a flow, you know, I'm going to try if it done every word will come up, you know. Sometimes some things fly in it, you know. That is why when I do my thing, I write.
Yeah.
You know, you give me the chance to say, no, best. You know, I check back. You know, I say, no, best, I can't put this night in the cars. It's not that me perfect. It's only true, so I put it in my song. So it reach all the way, you know, but now the two of them youth are nice and unruly, you know, in themselves and feel big, so them find a flow. It's hard for them to take it out. Because them think that if them just go so boom and move, look at something they know.
Everything spoiled.
You know, everything spoiled. You know, so them forward on big art over the song. You know, so the song hit before it even reach the studio for them. You get me?
Yeah.
But a real song is like, when you're willing to take telling, I make it work,
Yeah,
you get me? Pull some things where you can pull before it reach out there, and then now some of them, some things either Billy or killing, as them say, all promotions are good promotions. Still, some youth rise from the downfall. You know, but not everybody manage to rise from the downfall. Because when you think say it all well and you say, yo, me have a song out there, some people say, yo, you hear the trash. You get me?
I really think.
So you just go out there as the trash, so you don't have to last much.
Yeah.
You get me? Your song now have to transcend much, but you get one weekend hype.
Right.
You get me? Some would advice I youth for just check the lyrical content, you know. We can't do this thing, you know, because the flows are here. You get me?
Definitely.
The youth
Tell them, man.
when me hear the trap song them, I can't believe say them thing that the youth them talk sometime. You know? But me can remember back in the days when people say, yo Bess, you're tough, you're wicked, you get me? You're bad. You get me? Where you have them gun song there. You get me?
Yeah.
As me that youth come forward in the business with a killer.
Yeah.
Elephant man them. You know, they scare them crew.
Yeah, man.
A turbulence. You know, a highway. So it's like a mixture.
Yeah, man.
You have to have everything. Some will write a gun song today, write a religious song tomorrow, write a girl song. You get me, have a dancer. So it's like the great all around there.
Yeah, man. And that is good.
You know,
that
and
is
good for you. I love music that much that you can look out for me upon energy and I.
We say no limit.
It's the lyrical content at the end of the day for I and I.
Yeah.
You know, and sometimes I and I just see for flow lyrics and it might be adult content.
Definitely.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
So we don't bash the youth them, we just say go and play with the music for the time being, but make sure say within a certain time you forward to yourself and just know
find
say
yourself, yeah.
you know, you're a role model. You know, if you become a role model, you know, you're out there for teach and you know, you have other youth who are going to just study from you and want to do the same thing what you do or better than what you do. So, you know, work on your craft best way you can. Make it acceptable. Alright?
And as we talk about working on your craft and making it acceptable, Bescenta, tell about some of your new music now. Some of the music we have out. We have promote right now.
Right now we are promote a thing called Run the City.
Yeah.
Love I run the city tonight. Yeah. No blood, no fear running at the city tonight. No. So we are chant until the people unite. Yeah. We don't want no more bloodshed. We don't want no more loss of lives. Hey. We want love on every inch, on every street, every block. Reprisal, killing and drive-by office stop. The robber, yes, the raper, the looter, the shooter. We mess up the community, your fire I go hot. Put the violence aside and pre the facts. Your corrupt ways I take you for idiot. Hey! War them a push but with the love we a counteract. Tell it one up for the gunshot, no walking back. Yeah, and that's a UTH production.
See there. Who say flow can sick? And some positive message I spit, eh? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So we have to run the city out. We have quite a few projects out right now.
Yeah.
You know, and this is a UTH production. So UTH produced an album called After Win It.
After Win It.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
With about 15, 14 tracks on it. Nice project. You know, we have a collab with Warrior King. You know? It's a part of my history. You know, kind of the first real collaboration that I did, you know, with a big artist.
Right.
And Warrior King, Holy Words, you know. And Warrior King was the first artist, you know, to say, yo, Bess, you know, we have a Bahamas and want the eye to forward as an artist. To say, yo, forward and you know, get where you forget everything as an alright. Yeah, it was my first time to the Bahamas. It was a great experience.
Yeah.
You know? So Warrior King on the album. Sugar. The amazing Sugar from Rising Star.
Yeah, man.
You know, Brown Sugar. You know. We have a song called Survival. A great combination on it. You know.
Yeah, man.
We have a song called Poor Man's Day. When will be the poor man's day? They have been working from creation and every situation, building up the nation. All them get a disrespect, low pay and frustration. When will be the poor man's day? Can't get no answer. We under the weight of the hamper. Watch it make me bun Cookie Monster. Cause them name everything. The poor them no member. Them no put nothing in place for the poor man to obtain free. Everything we want we have to buy. That is why the poor man have to hustle. And even when we hustle, them fight everything where we try. Like them ears cocked to we cry. When it come unto the poor man needs, them cut them eye. Rough your unearth me not lie. More them neglect the poorer, the more people die. Yeah. So we have a whole heap of, quite a few hits on it. We have a song called Talk to Me on it also. You know, Lock City production.
Yeah.
You know, Chuck Back, Lock City, Adrian. Yeah.
Whole heap of works I put in.
Yeah, man, we never stop, man. Talk to Me is a song for the whole soul.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes within the household, you have a thing called domestic violence,
Yeah.
we have a lot of misunderstanding within the household. Sometimes it's not really that extreme,
Right.
but then no, because them are disagree and no one are big enough to say why I'm wrong, You have a little vexation and go another place, and then now we as the elders sometimes now realize that the little youth them are here.
Yeah.
So I come up with a song called Talk to Me. I say, talk to me. Say the malice we keeping ain't working. Deep down you're hurting. Talk to me. Rumor them must spread, some me flirting. When I'm out with the fans, I'm just working. 1 week now we exchange a word. Pass each other like the straight and a curve. Still sleep together but the pillow make the third. And when me trying to touch, simple action speak the word. Hands off, we quarrel now the kids overheard. Family a tear apart, it's mashing up my nerves. I can't love this, I just have to preserve. One fly out like a bird, but I won't let you go. Talk to me. That song about relationship.
Yeah,
At the
man.
end of the song, me end up get her backstage.
See that? Yeah,
Never
man.
lose her.
The happy ending.
Yeah, happy ending. So, whole heap of way for really teach the nation in a sense. Alright,
Yeah,
you see that
man.
same
We like that.
the
man.
same Talk to
Positive.
Me. We get a chance to video it in Atlanta.
Yeah.
I talk about our next media house.
Yeah.
A next media house called Upliftment Music.
Okay.
So when I leave Vertex, just to cut a long story short, I went to Upliftment Music now. That's where I did the song called Calm Down Your Nerves.
Okay.
So while at Vertex, I would do the song called Mama Told Me Gun Company would let me down.
Yeah, man.
Papa showed me. And a song called Universal Love. We don't want no war today. Soldier man, pack up on the troops and go home. See me?
Yeah.
Songs like those took me to Europe, I went to Europe like 3 times back then,
Yeah.
with Vertex. It wasn't the huge festivals, but then now, we'll have some club shows, quite a few.
Yeah, man.
You know,
Still
where
exposure.
I did Germany, I did Paris. Alright, in Paris I got a chance to work for Ken Booth,
Yeah.
which was a great experience also.
Yeah, man.
And
The general.
I was touring with Papa Pedro Entertainment at the time. The sound called Papa Pedro Entertainment. With a selector called Sensi. Big up yourself, Sensi. World, Great experience. I went by Papa Pedro, stay for a while, leave from Papa Pedro, and then now from Belgium to Amia, from Amia to Hanover. Quite a few places.
Yeah,
So
man.
it's a great experience.
Whole heap of song and thing. You have good
Whole
song
heap of thing,
Bescenta
man. Whole
about
heap of
there now.
thing, man. So when we reach UMI now,
Yeah.
that's where I get the first number 1.
Yeah.
Alright, I wouldn't say the first number 1 because while at Computer Paul, the world is in trouble with number 1 at Roots FM. Then a
Okay,
competition,
okay,
if the
okay.
song stayed in rotation for 2 weeks
Yeah.
at number 1,
Yeah, man.
then you'll get a video from there and so it went number 1, stayed at number 1 for 2 weeks, then it went in the festival, get video again, that song almost video 3 times.
Okay.
Yeah. So went to Vertex, did Canyon Lit, and quite a few songs, Universal Love, Move on from Vertex. Mama Told Me Under the Belt, which is the
Right.
mother say I'm a street song that. Like
Yeah.
anywhere I go in the street and
Yeah,
say
man.
Mama Told Me. Yeah. Sure forward. But when I reach UMI now, that's where I get my first number 1 on that big level.
Yeah, broader scale.
Broader scale now. Calm down your nerves.
Yeah.
Nice video shoot to Hope Garden,
See,
band
see.
setting and the whole thing, full package.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, nice experience. I'm signed to UMI them now, and it's a different level, the career thing.
Right.
You know,
Right.
so you have to start move on a different level now.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand? That's where the album Genuine came about.
Okay.
So Genuine was really the first album done.
Right.
First project we done as an album. Right now out there we have 3 albums out.
Yeah.
As Vertex recently released his album, which is Rasta Love,
Okay.
you know, out on all digital platforms. And then the first album, or more to say out as an album now as an artist now,
Right.
is UTH Music,
Seeing.
which is After Win It. That
Yeah,
was the
man.
first one out. You see me? But then Genuine came out a couple years ago.
Okay.
Differently, as the second one.
Yeah, man. Well, the work out there, man.
Yeah,
and,
man, we
and
not
the
stop,
people,
We not stop. We have a song and the truth rhythm for Sipper Records now called Make It.
yeah.
From a born, me tell myself me have to make it in a life. Nothing but poor and poverty no nice. Enough time on me have to make the sacrifice. She teach me to turn water in her eyes. Daddy I'm a real G warrior for life. When the enemies are war, you say but a bigger fight. Them thief the bike but them couldn't take my life. Couldn't block the runway if stop my flight. I tell you this, flowers and fruits draw honeybees. Yeah, yeah. When you a step up in a life, success draw enemies. Me know the real from the fake, me choose my friends them wisely. Yeah, yeah. Watch the fake them float like when me a soak red peas, yeah. You know, we have a whole heap of
man.
new thing out right now. We have a thing for gold mine. That can't work.
That can't
It's
work.
time to organize ourselves as a people. For too long we've been disorganized. Open your eyes. Slave mama, slave papa, now they wanna slave we. That can't work. Hand to mouth all we earn when we work and then pay we. That can't work. Yeah, man, we have quite a few things
Yo,
out
peeps,
right now.
the amount of song we Bescenta have, him will sing from now till next week.
Yes,
And all
really,
of them are good song, you know.
yes, it's really amazing how a youth will have so much good song. Where the youth them really and truly are waiting up and are watching up.
Yeah.
You know, I watch some of these jacks, you know, out there who really about money. We have a single out right now, a new project out, and the rhythm called Rush No Fuss.
Yeah.
UTH Music
Yeah.
called Ego and Shego. So me I say don't make the ego and Shego get to you, alright? Whether it's a he or a she, don't make it get to you. Alright? Love is the ultimate. It's a life is the greatest. So the song says Ego and Shego. It's like this. Jah, I ask you for your guidance as I look to the future. Give me vision to see the dangers before they occur. I am blessed for your perseverance as I look to the daily task ahead. Grant me the strength and the power while the clock changes over while I hunt for my daily bread. All I know, life is the greatest. Ego and Shego is the fakest. Still I live off of my hand to mouth paycheck. Make it while the sun shines, I'm not wake yet. Life is the greatest. Ego and Shego is the fakest. Still I live off of my hand to mouth paycheck. Make it while the sun shine. Alright. Smile as you rise to be living is a great gift. Eliminate the wrinkles and give yourself a facelift. Show the love among each other, that's the greatest. Life is what you make it, don't waste it. Do the good cause every step you make just trace it. Never put your trust in Babylon, them full of matrix. The system designed to program you like the matrix. Hotter fire, me purge and me burn it. Whoa now, life is the greatest. Rush No Fuss.
Yo, people, I can't say no get no some whole heap of Bescenta tune today, you know.
Yeah, that does
And
some of the things.
Yeah, I'm not even
you know,
scratch the surface yet.
I don't mention reggae vibes production yet.
Yeah.
You know, when I remember a song, I don't mention a song I have out the name Right Away. You know,
Holy
Malibu
tunes.
production. You know, enough things out there, man. Just type in Bescenta. When you go on the YouTube, subscribe and like.
Yeah, man.
You know, because I be a clean music out there, enough clean
And tell them the
music.
socials so them
You know,
can follow you.
social is Bescenta official, you know, or Bescenta reggae. You
Yeah.
know, they can find me or UTH Music, JA. Yeah, man, at gmail.com. All information about Bescenta. You know, and all music we hear right now is out on all digital platforms. You know,
See.
we still have new things in the pipeline. We're working on a video right now for Reggae Vibes production. You know, we don't really want to give away too much because, you know, we're build up a surprise something there, you know, for forward. But look out, you know, for your song. We're beat Babylon Bully, you know. The Fire Burn and Return. The Rovers.
Yeah,
you know?
man.
So we have a lot of things in the pipeline working on. You know.
Yeah, man.
So stay in tune. You know, we have song for Auto Wheel, because me are talking, you know. Because one of my things best now put in the work. You know, and sometimes as an artist you have to understand when you work for a producer, it don't mean because you work for a producer, you must put out the project today. You have to have patience. You know.
True.
But I have songs with Auto Wheel, we have songs with new kids. You know, because we work with a lot of young producers too, you know.
Yeah.
You know. You have to remember that we work with a lot of young producers. I have a song where I work on, we have a new project I work on with an artist called Micah Schumacher. You know, the world know him already. You know, big producer too. You know, look out for that. It's a herb song. I have a herb song also I work on for Miss Marcia. You know, Ajan production.
See,
You know, so we're actively working.
Whole heap of work, man. That
And we not stop.
yeah, man. Yeah, Bescenta, boy. People, it's a whole history Bescenta give you out up in the hillside there, you know.
Yeah, and the half I've never been to,
Me
you know.
tell you,
Still
man.
have a lot more.
Whole
I'm
heap
like
more.
say to be continued to.
Straight,
You know?
definitely.
But as we say, any question I ask and we can answer, we'll just answer.
Yeah,
You
man.
know? And much question I ask, the story them long still.
Yeah, you see it. Bescenta take over the interview, man. A beer story, man, tell me this week. But it was a joy, Bescenta.
Great
It
job,
was a
man.
joy, man.
Next
Chilling.
Friday we say, you know,
Yeah, man.
a man upful and powerful and mighty, you know.
Yeah,
We
man.
not stop, we never stop, man. Just keep in check. As we say, we're on all digital platforms. When I say Bescenta Music, Bescenta Official, Bescenta Reggae, you know, I and I that.
Yeah.
Worldwide. Or you link the UTH Music. Or it's just UTH Music JA@gmail.com.
Yeah, man.
Alright? Yeah,
So I
man.
know if I find Bescenta, I can't say no, I never hear.
I'm in the hill.
See it.
Get me? From the forward of Salisbury Plain and say Bescenta. Yeah, over in the property hills on the farm of Marland. Or I'm up on the acre, right? You get me?
Yeah.
You can do all money up a big machine too. Get me? Can write a lot of songs there with the elder. You know? Because the experience that the elders have, you know, the teaching, you know, we have to always link them for them pass it on to we, that so we can pass it on to the younger generation.
Definitely.
You understand? Yeah.
Alright. So peeps, there you have it. Another. This one is not even exciting as chilling with them on the hillside. That one a different vibe, you know. Yeah, man, we're outside this week chilling with Bescenta. So there you have it. Another fun and exciting episode of Next Friday. And be sure to go and subscribe, share, like, click the notification bell. And remember, next Friday or every Friday. We out.
Not out yet. Next Friday, thanks for having I and I.
Yes,
You
sir.
know, nice reasoning. Alright,
Yeah,
and we
man.
have to reason as a people. You know, I just want to say to all the people, love. You know, life is the greatest. Ego and Shigo is the fakest. Alright? One love.
Yes, sir.
Oh.